Gold ETF. Invest in gold the smarter way. For Dadi, gold meant security. She bought coins and jewelry and kept them safely locked away. Holding gold meant peace of mind. For Meera, gold was still important, but she chose bank lockers and better documentation. Same belief, different approach. Today, Arohi invests in gold too through a gold ETF. A gold ETF, exchange traded fund, is a mutual fund that invests in high purity physical gold. Their prices mirror the physical gold prices in the domestic market. Each unit of gold ETF represents 1 gram of gold and is held in demat form. For investors, gold ETFs offer a smart way to invest in gold without worrying about making charges, storage, or safety concerns. With the flexibility to invest in as little as 1 gram, gold ETFs are accessible to investors of all sizes. Gold ETFs are traded on stock exchanges and can be bought or sold anytime during market hours. This liquidity and transparency make gold ETFs a convenient and efficient investment option. 3 generations, 3 ways of investing in gold. The purpose remains the same. The method evolves. Before investing, understand the features, risks, and costs. Make informed investment decisions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.